Home sweet home. A place where we relax. A place for togetherness. A possession for pride and peace. Everybody dreams about a dream house, and they spend every bit and piece of their earning to make their passion successful. We are here to make your simple home into paradise, to make your dream come true. A dream run, a success story, a journey of a vision, a path to success. We are Bengal Tiles. It's not only tiles, it's elegance. Bengal Tiles started its journey from the small town of East Midnapore in West Bengal in the year 2011. And porcelain tiles. Alliance with more than 5 manufacturing companies with latest SAGMI machineries from Italy at Morbi, Gujarat. We are having our dedicated digital glass painting and tiles printing unit at Thekua Chowk in West Bengal. Our product quality, variety and competitive pricing is comparable to any other top brand of this country. We cater to the needs of tiles for homeowners, designers, architects and builders alike as they see their own ideas taking shape into reality. Be it a simple motif, glass scenery or virtuoso god. Our 500 dedicated employees, including research and development team and exceptional designers, work round the clock for developing new ideas and materializing those ideas into innovative designs and variety. Our almost 500 designs and 1,000 varieties consummate the need of our valued customers. The designs at Bengal Tiles are tailor-made for mediums like glass and tiles for a wide range of architectonic needs in both residential and commercial spaces. We have 5 branches across the northern part of India. 5 exclusive showrooms at Nimtauri, Alam Bazar, Huldia, Jaigaon,
Bhutha,
with over 12,000 square feet of area. We have over 1 lakh square feet of godown for storing our products. Our comprehensive range of floor tiles, wall tiles, marble, mosaic or metal crafts will transform the interiors of your living room, kitchen, office, boardroom, reception and restroom into a completely different world. With the simple but firm motto of customer satisfaction first, Bengal Tiles looks forward to deliver ostentatious and original solutions in tiles. This has resulted in gaining the brand a prominence among the customers, supported by its organized marketing and distribution channels within India and the overseas market. The organization is gradually becoming a trendsetter globally in the field of ceramic and porcelain tiles. The day is not far when it will become the leader in its field. At Bengal Tiles, our vision is to become the leader in the ceramic tile industry, both in terms of quality and innovativeness. We wish to provide exquisite products with distinguished quality in a state-of-the-art manufacturing environment, maintaining a very competitive price. To make our products come within easy reach of every potential customer, our dream is to expand our distribution network to every corner of the country. Our mission is to become a benchmark for the standard of the Indian tile manufacturing scenario with an international quality. Our mission involves working with integrity, teamwork, commitment, agility and innovation. It is our great pleasure to inform you that the number of satisfied customers of Bengal Tiles growing by leaps and bounds. We thank every one of you for showing trust and thus becoming a spearheading force and an inspiration to eventuate our visions into reality.